South Node in Virgo in the 10th house. You care about how you look and speak. Possible future dentist. Possible teeth extractions. You can have a mean mouth. Committed to your public image and or career. Not allowing people to throw you off of your goal, but people will try. You are your own authority. Feeling cornered at times because it feels like people are out to get you and the walls feel like they're caving in. It feels like people know no boundaries, especially with their words. Who do they think they are? People expect you to work harder and harder and harder. It seems like it's never good enough. What do they want? Your blood? It kind of feels that way. It almost feels like slavery. You care about working and getting the job done, but you also want to be appreciated. But do you feel that way? Not really looking at other people's journeys, but at the same time, looking at other people's journeys. And when you do this, you do see the things that they're not doing right, or at least the things you feel like they're not doing right. And the things you feel, well, they could do better. Boss, public speaker. People are trying to hold you back in your career because they're angry about something they feel like you've said or done. You have to walk backwards at the workplace because who knows who will stab you in the back. You also keep moving up in the workplace, so you want to keep all eyes open and make sure no one has access to your back as you keep moving up. Trying to hide from the public, not sure how you feel about the public. Trying to organize your thoughts. You have a lot of thoughts you want to say regarding the past, and for your peace of mind, you rather keep the past in the past, but sometimes this is not so easy and you end up saying something about the past to the past. Boundaries are not always the easiest. This may not always be your thing, but for peace of mind, it should be, and you know it. Constantly stuck in between this holding yourself back and reflecting and feeling the need to say how it is you really feel. All the things she said versus all the things she didn't say. Dear Diary, you can feel when people want information. You can feel when people are trying to push you for more information than you're willing to give. You can also feel when people are coming for you. And you can also feel what leads people to do this. And it's because people are in pain or are seeking guidance or are jealous of you because they see you have something they want, a public image. They may get mad about this because they feel like you don't deserve it, because they didn't see your struggles. They didn't see how you got there, and they don't understand it because they don't have it, whatever it is you have regarding this public image. They believe it shouldn't come easy. You should work hard for it, and these things come easier for you than it does for them. They also don't realize that you have experience when it comes to this in past lives. You've been here before. You've done this. You've already worked hard, so it comes naturally. So when you try to help and offer advice to people who you see want the things you have, it feels invasive. It feels intrusive to these people because their perception of this is making them feel less than and as if you're above them. Meanwhile, they already felt like you didn't deserve what it is you already have. So your heart may have been in the right place, but you weren't able to say that to them. So they feel like you're pointing out their flaws. They feel like you're pointing out the things that are wrong with them, the things that they're trying to achieve, the things that they're silently going after, and it feels like an attack. Confident at work, isolating yourself at work, standing out at work, feeling the need to keep busy at work.